Look at your smartphone. In 2026, that device might become the most boring piece of tech you own. We are standing on the edge of a massive shift. From AI agents that run your life to glasses that replace your screens, 2026 isn't just another year. It's the beginning of a new era. Here are the 4 tech trends that will rewrite your reality. Trend number 1, the death of the search bar. For the last few years, we've been chatting with AI. In 2026, we stop chatting and start delegating. We are entering the age of autonomous agents. Imagine telling your phone, plan a trip to Tokyo under $2,000. And it doesn't just give you a list. It books the flights, reserves the hotel, and emails your boss for time off. You won't use apps, you'll use an agent. Trend number 2, the screenless world. Remember when we thought VR headsets were too bulky? By late 2026, tech giants are racing to put that power into normal-looking glasses. We're talking about heads-up displays for real life, navigation arrows on the road in front of you, live translation of a foreign language floating next to someone's face. The physical and digital worlds are finally merging. Trend number 3, humanoid helpers. This sounds like sci-fi, but 2026 is the year home robotics gets real. Companies like Tesla and Figure are pushing to get humanoid robots into factories and eventually your living room. While you might not have a robot butler tomorrow, the price of this tech is dropping fast. Folding laundry might soon be a thing of the past. And finally, trend number 4, the doctor on your wrist. Wearables are shifting from tracking steps to predicting sickness. New sensors coming in 2026 aim to track blood pressure and glucose non-invasively. Your device might tell you you're getting the flu before you even feel a fever. The future is coming faster than you think. Which of these trends excites you and which one honestly scares you? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more glimpses into the future. See you in the next one.